guys, we are back. We are here at Bradington once again. This doesn't feel like Florida to me. As you can see, I have on 2 jackets, a beanie, and I'm still cold. Florida ain't supposed to be this cold. I don't know what's going on down here. This is crazy. But we are here at the U.S. Street Nationals, and it is going down. This is round 1 of qualifying. Got canceled Thursday. They couldn't test Wednesday. Rain has been rampant down here. The track is now dry. Everything is going in our favor. We got good weather for the rest of the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're going to be good and rocking. But I do have one big video uploading for Snowbirds. It is like the final end-all be-all to Sunday's eliminations from that race. And I encourage y'all to really check that out. There's all the interviews from Kai. There's everything from Westbuck to Victor to Travis Harvey. Everybody's up in there. We're gonna make a few separate videos for like Scott Taylor, Robin Roberts, Callie Mills, even Greg Blevins. I have all his passes too. So we're gonna make separate videos for that because I didn't want to make it too long, but it's still long enough for you to watch a whole series of how this stuff goes down out here. So it is going down. We're finna check out first qualifying round of U.S. Street Nationals. Let's see some numbers on the board. I feel like we're gonna see some 50s in the first round. So let's check this out.
Q1 happened first thing this morning, and we're number 1 down the track. So bear in mind, we've got 0 passes to the stripe in this car. So that's all I'm thinking at this point. I'm not really concerned about anything else. I just want to make it to the stripe. Make it to the stripe. That's all that's running through my head. Normally it's cut a light, cut a light, cut a light. This time it's make it to the stripe. So we pull up, first pro mods down the track. do our burnout. Everything seems really good. I put it in the beams, let go of the button, and as soon as I let go of the button, I feel it start waffling the tire just a little bit. I kind of started thinking to myself, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. Next thing I know, lockup kicks in, front end of the car picks up, and it starts riding. So I'm gonna be honest with you, man. That's the one. It's probably one of the best feelings I've ever felt in the car. I was amazed. The lockup hit just like Mark said that it would. Picks the front end up, and next thing I know, I'm pulling the chutes and shutting the car down. The second half of the track, we had a lot of power pulled out of the car just trying to go A to B, just so that we could get some data and then pick up on that. Got to go A to B before you can go fast. So that's all we wanted, and we ended up going a 370 flat at 216, 215 and some change, which is by far the most mile an hour I've ever been in the 8th. And man, it was amazing. That's literally what we needed today, right off the bat. That's what we needed. Now we can focus on getting a little bit of shake out of the car, putting some power in it, and try to get qualified.
Trust me, we were there. We just landed on the moon. Things were pretty good.
You the best of luck here.
I saw the shadow.
Your next pass tomorrow.
Honestly, we're gonna try to go every bit of a 65 on the next pass, and then we'll try to lay it to it on the 3rd qualifier. So I know now's not the time for baby steps, but it's also not the time to be a cowboy in a car that I'm not familiar with. So we're you know, if I feel something, I'm gonna lift. I'm not trying to be the guy that stays in it past my talent. You know what I'm saying? So one of those things where as long as the car looks like this after the weekend, that's the most important part. And if we qualify, I'll be stoked.
Oh yeah, good luck.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. job, you guys. Good fucking job. Good job, you guys. Good job, Jimmy. Good job.
So we out here at U.S. Street Nationals. My only goal coming here was to qualify because, you know, we pretty much set the world on fire at the last one and you can't one-up or beat that or anything. So we started over, come out here just to qualify, and our first qualifier, we went at 360 with a 1 at almost 210 miles an hour. So I think we've done our goal. Like, I think we're going to be qualified for sure. We're number 5 right now. I think we got still got 2 more qualifiers, and feel good about it. The old car's still running. I don't know why it runs so good, but it's running good. So we figure we'll just try to make it faster these next 2 qualifiers and see what we can do with these boys. They here to race this time. I've seen a couple 57s. Cartuccio still 20s on the tree, so I'm gonna have to get my shit together if I'm gonna win this time.